start videos.
3, 2, 1, start.
Go Luke!
Oh, you would be a homo.
Go the one that's not in a trench coat.
Fat.
Crap.
Thought you said fat right after I said fat.
Come on, Kaylee.
Well, he is fat enough to do that.
Yeah, he is, isn't he?
Yes.
Come on,
Guys
creepy
would be
trench coat guy.
homosexuals like that.
The one in the gray jacket hates homosexuals.
It is true. I have a homosexual stalker.
The one in
I'm
the
sorry
trench
for all
coat
of the
hates black
homosexual
people.
cubers. I think it's
And
cool that you
John.
can do it, but yeah, I don't really like you that much.
The
Kinda
one
like
in
when
the
I
gray
found out
jacket
Justin
is
Bieber was a cuber, kind of pissed me off.
Justin Bieber's a cuber?
Yep.
The one in the gray jacket is really
Now I'm
racist.
pissed off.
Tanner, we heard you the third time. Shut up.
No, no.
Oh, they're young love.
Oh, Luke is done.
Luke's done. 1 minute, 19 seconds. Wait, that'd be minus the 3, 2, 1. I'm stupid. Caleb, hurry up.
Wait, a minute 19 minus 3.
Minus like,
16.
yeah.
That's not bad. Got my new high score.
We need to get Steven out here.
Steven's at the doctor. Oh, but
Oh, yeah.
check it out. Yeah,
Oh,
flag.
well, I don't have time to watch him.
Okay, now you need to fix it again. Your time's going. I'm joking. I don't really care. Okay, Caleb finally finished. Good job, Luke. You officially win a fat sack of lard for being ultimate Rubik's Cube master.